Hey guys.
I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot cause I'm bulletproof.
Can you play that again?
Baby, what you wanna do?
We just officially got a message. I came here with Maybelline, as you guys know, and Maybelline just texted me to keep all my contents on hold because, yeah, GVF has been going viral for a reason. 1975 or 57?
Yeah, 1975.
Yeah, 1975. Honestly, like, yeah, I'm proud of you guys of whatever you have grown and whatever you guys have become. I do support LGBTQ and I stand for them. I'm not against them or anything. But bruh, you should respect certain countries and you should definitely know the borderline and you should know where to stop, where you can do this thing. Your country might be way more open. We respect your country, but you disrespected ours.
Yep.
And just because of your 30-minute session, our 3 days has been cancelled. 3 days,
Exactly.
2 days, day 2 has been cancelled and I can't carry forward my outfits.
Yeah, GVF came out with the official statement already. It's cancelled.
And what they say?
They will
We deeply regret to announce that the remaining schedule of Good Vibes Festival planned for today and tomorrow has been cancelled following the remarks made by UK artist Matty Healy from the band The 1975. Immediate cancellation directive issued at 1:50 p.m. The Ministry of Communication and Digital underlined its unwavering. Because of your one statement, bruh, not I don't stand against LGBT. I support 100%. Have my support.
See, do it hotel, all the travelers how? Burn is it?
Yeah, but
we yourself burn your money already.
I traveled all the way from JB to KL, booked a hotel that is not like near to Sepang, you know. I literally booked at Nilai just to go to this event and literally haven't took off my wristband because they told me if I took off it's gonna be cancelled. So yeah, I'm cutting my trip short. We are leaving KL. I wanna get some cute outfit photos. And oh my god, the whole day is planned. I literally planned my whole feed to match my whole GVF vibes, just to give you guys more contents. And they did this. I literally walked so much. I want my energy all back. I want my money all back. It's not cheap. It's not easy. Okay, fine. I'm from Malaysia, and there was a lot of foreigners came in yesterday, and this is one of the event that actually brings a lot of tourists to our country, and for you to ruin that, you lost a lot of respect. I really hope you do realize that too. I haven't shower, but I'm gonna cut this thing because
Oh my god. Okay, bye. Wee. Okay, bye.
Bye. Myself because I forgot to bring camera, and it's day 2 of GVF and it's currently 12 o'clock. We are having our breakfast. Yeah, breakfast, because I can't start my day with a very heavy food.
And it's raining.
Yeah, it's raining.
It's not our fault.
Yeah, we woke up late because it rained. It was like God blessing us. Like, have some sleep, girls. But yeah, I'm gonna have my breakfast. I'll see you guys in the hotel room when I remember my camera. Hi, pretty.
You're very pretty.
Hi, pretty. We literally took photo no matter what. We were like GVF day 2 or GVF day 3. We're taking photo. GVF, correct lah. Photos which will be out on the Instagram by now. I think it would have been out because I don't know when I'm gonna edit this video. But yeah, I'm just gonna bring you guys along with us in our dumb journey in Nilai because they have nothing, nada.
Yep.
Zero here, nothing. But I'm gonna dig through Google to see what restaurant.
I found this one place, Avenue 9. There got Nando's, got chicken rice shop. You want to lunch me or not?
Okay lah, for sure. Ginger store, is here?
Okay.
Ginger, what do you guys think?
We
Ginger.
can take Grab there. Can go have our dinner.
Macam nak tak nak only for me there.
Got
Oh yeah,
Nando's.
see Nando's Nilai
That's why I
Avenue.
said got Nando's.
Oh,
got
9
everything
Avenue.
there.
Oh my god, we should actually eat biryani. Like,
No biryani shop.
Day, you in which corner also open biryani shop? Okay, everyone want biryani one.
In Bali, everywhere got biryani shop. So that's
Because
one thing.
Bali,
A lot of Indian restaurant.
Indo West, bro. We need biryani.
I checked the nearest India gate also grab 40 ringgit to 50 ringgit. I'm like, go to hell. Who wanna pay?
Grab. I know you're making so much, but you are giving your driver only how many percent?
I also don't know,
Like-
but less.
Yeah, very less. Please lah, pity us lah. Grab only our choice. But that doesn't mean I don't have license. I drive.
I don't have license. Don't. Hey, you judging me?
We don't judge each other. We judge.
People.
Yes. The camera very heavy, huh?
Me and Khesyinii is
He looks so cozy, you know.
Yeah,
Actually,
exactly.
if anyone can bring us lunch in bed, it'd be so nice.
Yep.
But no, let's get up. Let's get up and change our outfit. Oh my god, look at my outfit. This is supposed to be my day 3 outfit for GVF.
It's damn cute. But got cancel, what to do? Bodoh je.
Bodoh. Memang bodoh. Saya tak suka dia orang. Semalam Sabrina Carpenter cakap, apa? Saya sayang kamu. Saya cakap, saya benci kamu. 1975, listen. Saya benci kamu. Jangan datang balik. Jangan datang Malaysia. Saya tak invite you sini. Saya tak suka you. Benci you. Tu je lah saya boleh cakap I cannot curse
Correct,
I
correct,
kena ban
correct.
pula. I want to put the sensor sound can
Okay,
but
okay,
I'm not telling anything guys.
Yeah.
But the 1975. Changed. Let me on the button light. Yeah, we are all changed now. Look at my chill little Zara outfit. And look at me. My oh my god. Wrongly zooming in. Okay, my hairstyle. So cute, right? I know. Rasa enjoy with this girl.
It's very cute.
She's getting ready. Are you? Okay, yeah, let's
They're
go.
not on camera, right? Or is it on camera?
It's on camera, girl. Say hi.
Won't say hi.
Okay, yeah, but let's go. Like for real, I'm very hungry.
Come.
Oh my god, this is woman's room. Oh my god, did I just show the whole room? Yes. Look at it. Reality check. Okay, we reached at a place where we really don't know what they have here.
KFC, got chicken rice shop.
Yeah, there's KFC behind there. There's chicken rice shop. Okay, there's chicken rice shop. There's Nando's. There's Kedai Emas.
So basically that's it, Nabi. What
It smelled.
Right.
It really like it's like a big turn off. If a restaurant smell bad, you need to smell the food in order for you to like really enjoy the food, you know. God bless me. Okay, yeah, so now we are going to KFC because that's the second best choice we have.
One eternity later.
My POV right now.
Don't be jealous, Abi.
We just remember that yeah, but okay guys, we did an improvement. My bag is all packed there. This is so clean, can you see? Yeah, very clean lah. But yeah, everything is settled. Only skincare's balance for tomorrow. But I totally forgot to remove my makeup. Eyelashes are off. Pajamas are on. But time to sleep. So have to remove. I'm gonna remove my makeup. I'm gonna sleep tomorrow. I have a bus to catch back to JB because day 3 is done, and I'm done staying here. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Click, click. Bye. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Good night. Bye. Mwah.
This steps in heavy violin. Last minute pins to the island. Drip, drip, drip when you slide in.